Good afternoon and welcome back to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Special edition, Mexican herbs and spices. This morning, Robin and I did our weekly grocery shopping for the menus I have going on this week. And one of the things I needed to do was pick up some supplies from one of my favorite stores. And that is La Superior here in Yuba City, California. It's a Mexican supermarket. So I go there when I need dried herbs and spices for Mexican food and Latin food. But I also, in the past, have used dried herbs and spices when I really needed to save money. And let me show you why. What I bought today is whole dried oregano, Persil chili powder, and Mexican paprika. Okay, now let's look at my receipt. The paprika and the chili powder were $1.69 per packet, and the oregano was $3.49 for a total of $10.25. And as an example, this is a jar of McCormick Chipotle chili powder. That's a 2 ounce. That jar probably cost me at least $10 in the supermarket, in a regular supermarket. So for everything that I have on my prep table, I got for the same price. And I get asked a lot, are these herbs and spices fresh? Are they of high quality? Yes, they are. I've been using them for years and years, or I wouldn't be going back. So, be adventurous. You can find a lot of these herbs and spices in your local supermarkets in the Mexican section. Just have to look for them. That's where I started buying them. I was fortunate enough here in Yuba City, California, to have La Superior open up with the Grand Wall of Spices. So I just go there. So great quality, variety, super cost saving. What goes wrong? Nothing. Be adventurous, save some money, get great product. Okay? I won't steer you wrong. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.